Hey guys, it's Kelly, and it's a box that you see, yes, but there's no plants in it. There are planty things in it, but I blame this purchase on school actually, because I had to buy a piece for my tablet, an adapter, and you know, like you get that like, oh, free shipping if you spend whatever it is. I was so close, so I was like, well, let me just find something. Either way, I would be paying the same amount of money after the piece if I had to pay for shipping, so might as well just get something else. But it's here, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. And I hope it's what I am envisioning. We'll see. I got a little gift ticket, a gift from me. It's funny. All right. So this is the piece, the adapter that I need for school, which then led to this other larger box in here. So I'm just going to open it. It's just a USB to USB-C adapter port. Yep, that's what I needed. So I have that now, so that's good. And we have this. All right, so if you haven't already noticed, I like cute pots. I don't like spending a lot of money on cute pots. I won't spend a lot of money on cute pots, but I like cute pots. So if I can get them cheap, I'm gonna get them. All right, and they are from Maddie's Garden. Yeah. Oh, and it gives you little succulent planting care. I didn't buy any plants, but I guess it just, whenever you buy something, this is probably just what they send everybody, so. Ta-da! All right, let's see which one we're gonna do. Okay, guys, hey, so on the replay of the first part of this video, one, I noticed you couldn't see anything, and the noise from the styrofoam pulling out the pots, it was like nails down chalkboard. So we're redoing that part. All right, so the first one I pulled out. Look how cute. It's a chicken. It's a chicken. So these are 2-inch pots. They come with a drainage hole. These are perfect for like little Hoya cuttings, which is what I buy because I am not spending $1 billion on anything. So yeah, so we got this guy. The next one. Look how cute. There's a theme to these guys, you'll see. Drainage hole. Look at the little tail. So cute. We have a puppy. So cute. It looks like a corgi to me, which is not my favorite kind of dog. I don't dislike any dogs, but corgis, they just don't make any sense to me. I don't know. I don't get it. And then we have like a sheep, right? Or a lamb. What's the difference? A sheep or a lamb? I don't know. But look. I like how this one's like textured all the way around. Next, we have a winking kitten. Look how cute. It's the tail. Cute. And the last one of this group is, I'm gonna call this a bull. Some people might call it a cow, but there's no udders, so it's a bull. It's got horns too. It's a bull. It's a bull. But I just think it's so cute. It's got all the arms and the legs. It's got a little tail. This is just cute. So, all right, let me see if you can see all of these. I'll put them like this, maybe. I don't know if you can see them all, but these are the little pots that I got. They are really good for starting off plants in. You can also just put like a little plastic, the little starter plug pots that you get from nurseries right in. It's so cute. I also got, let me move these. Now that I just lined these all up, let me move them. I also recently got these pots, and I got 3 of them. Here's the other one. Again, they have color. I need color. The walls are gray. We need color, right? So yeah, and they were only $2 each. And they came with a saucer, like $2 for the pot and the saucer. I don't know if it's just me, but I've never come across anywhere that sold pots and saucers together for $2. I don't know, but, and these are the only saucers I have, so I don't really know. I mean, I guess I'll use them, but I don't know. Maybe I'll use them as coasters. I don't know. But these are the saucers that I have. And these are the new pots. And these are the smaller new pots. And yeah, this is what we got going on. So yeah, this is just a quick little look at my pots. Look at my pot, video. But yeah, so that's all. Until next time, guys, relax, plant, and peace out.